Well, everybody, hi. Ann Milano here. Welcome to my completed flip. Other than a few little odds and ends that still need to be done, I'm about to give you a sneak peek, so stay tuned. So here we go. Welcome to a whole new house. We're still putting a stair runner right there, but here is your sneak peek for today. Oh my goodness. We have the kitchen over here, and it is spectacular. Look at these quartz countertops. Just stunning. New stainless steel appliances. We have an unbelievable pantry right there to store all of your goodies. Fabulous eat-in area. The floor is perfection, I might say. And this backsplash came out amazing. So still a couple of little blue tapes around just to do a few little extra things. Over here we have the powder room. Oops. And it came out really pretty. Love, love, love that vanity. Love, love, love that mirror. Really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. Whoop. You can see me in the mirror. Hey! Oh my God. All right, so foyer, beautiful chandelier. Moving right along. Sneak peek of the great room. Sneak peek of the dining room. Fabulous chandelier. And then here we go into the amazing sunroom. Still some stuff that needs to be done to the exterior. But for now, that's your sneak peek. All right, can't wait to show you the upstairs. The master suite, or the primary suite, is fabulous. The secondary suite with bathroom is wonderful. That master bathroom is to die for. So I can't wait for you to see it. All right, see you soon. Bye for now.